Bienvenidos, welcome. I'm Otto Foodie, and today I'm making my easy sausage gravy. It's great on biscuits, it's great on toast, mashed potatoes. Stick around and I'll show you how I do it. So first I have 8 ounces of sage pork sausage. Put this in there and get this browned up. So this pork sausage is pretty lean, so I'm going to add about a teaspoon and a half of lard. Oh, and that was 8 ounces of pork sausage. So the reason why I added the lard was because it's pretty lean, didn't have a lot of fat in the bottom of the pan. To that I'm going to add 1/4 cup all-purpose flour. Now I'm going to brown that flour with the sausage. I'm on medium-low heat. Scale 1 to 10, I'm probably on a 4, 3.5 to 4. You can see that the flour is turning brown now. We're getting some color on it. So to recap, we have 8 ounces of pork sausage that's seasoned with sage, a 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. To that, I'm going to add 4 cups of milk. One reason to do this on the lower temperature is it doesn't scald the milk when you pour it in there. Do that about 1/2 teaspoon of salt and about 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. And then later you can salt and pepper to taste. And stir. So keep stirring. That helps prevent it from burning on the bottom. And one tip to making good gravy is always use the same pan. There's basically 2 of them that I use for gravy. This one or my little bit more shallower Lodge. And keep stirring and just bring the temperature up slow. You can see it slowly starting to thicken up. Just about the time you think you messed up on the ratio of flour to milk, it starts to thicken up. And you know you're getting close when it no longer smells like milk and flour. And when you start seeing the wake behind your spatula, you pretty much know you're there. The taste is there. I can also smell the sage in the sausage. This goes great on toast, on biscuits, potatoes. And there you go. That's how I make my easy pork sausage gravy. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you later.